How to substitute players on Fantasy Premier League. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Fantasy Premier League. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password and log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Head over to Fantasy at the bottom. In this page, tons of different options will be visible to you, but what you want to do is head over to Pick Teams. You will be landing on this page. Now, in order to substitute a player, what you want to do is click on the player at the bottom that you want to substitute. It will open up the profile of the player. The option of substitute will be visible to you. All you want to do is click on it. Now, simply tap on the player that you want to substitute. Let me click on this one. Once it's done, tap on confirm at the top right corner of the screen. And then you'll be good to go. Likewise, you can substitute any of the player that you want to. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can substitute player on Fantasy Premier League. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.